Welcome to Mr. V's online classroom. Tell you a little bit about myself. I've been teaching math for 25 years from grades 6 through 9, mostly at the middle school level. I hope these lessons will help you understand fractions more completely. Fractions, as you recall from my last video, there are 4 lessons working with basics of fractions. The first one we did before was reducing fractions. The second one is multiplying fractions. The third one is adding and subtracting fractions. And the fourth is dividing fractions. Please make sure you master the concepts in order. It will help you and your understanding of fractions. This video will cover multiplying fractions. Let's get started. Lesson 2, multiplying fractions. When multiplying fractions, you multiply the numerators, the top numbers, and the denominators, the bottom numbers, by each other. Here are a few examples. 2 over 3 times 4 over 7. That equals 2 times 4 over 3 times 7. And that's equal to 8 over 21. Next one is 2 over 5 times 2 over 9, and that equals 2 times 2 over 5 times 9, which is equal to 4 over 45. So now check your answers to see if they can be reduced. Pause the video here to check. Both of these answers cannot be reduced, so you are done. Here are examples for you to try. Pause the video after each problem so you can try them. Remember to reduce your answers if you can, like we did in the first lesson. You can do it. First one we'll try is 2/3 times 5/8, and that's equal to, this is a good place to pause, equal to 2 times 5 over 3 times 8, and that's equal to 10 over 24. Pause here to see if you can reduce. Since both these numbers are even, we can divide them by 2, so we get 10 divided by 2 over 24 divided by 2, and that equals 5 over 12. 5 is a prime number. 12 can't be divided by 5. You're done. Great job. Let's try another one. 4 over 9 times 6 over 7. Again, pause here and try it by yourself. That's equal to 4 times 6 over 9 times 7, which is equal to 24 over 63. Pause here to reduce if necessary. Both of these can be divided by 3, so I get 24 divided by 3 over 63 divided by 3, and that equals 8 21sts. 8 and 21 have no common factors, so you are done. Great job! Here are a few more examples for you. Pause after I write down the 3 problems and try them on your own. Here are the 3 problems. 3 over 4 times 2 over 7. 2 over 7 times 3 over 8. And 1 over 3 times 3 over 10. Please pause here and try to do these yourself. And here are the answers you should have gotten. Did you get the answers right? If you didn't, it's okay. See if you can find your errors. Great job. Okay, we've reached the end of multiplying fractions. It's pretty straightforward. Go back and look at this video again. I hope this video helped you understand multiplying fractions. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification as well, so you will know when I upload a new video. This way I can make more math videos to help you with your math class. Remember, there are 2 more videos in this series about fractions. Thank you.